Mud here with Jeff, and we're doing this experiment where we've got a rocket heater, little cottage rocket core over there, firing up. It's about a 6-inch, so based on it being about 30,000 BTU. We got a pipe coming through this exhaust pipe, absorbing heat into the water here. It's an 1.5-inch pipe, and we got a pump giving us about 1 gallon a minute coming through here, and it's giving us, starting out like 78 degrees, and we're coming out about 87 degrees, 88 degrees. So at 1 gallon a minute, we're getting about 10-degree rise, and that is basically about 20% efficiency of transferring the heat from the exhaust into our water. 20% efficiency is actually pretty good for just seeing what we can do, because obviously our stovepipe here is going to it's quite hot. It's going to be
Doesn't look like shiny surfaces.
it doesn't like shiny surfaces. Yeah. The stovepipe is quite hot, says my finger testers, and so it's going to be absorbing a lot more heat than our pipe is, and our pipe is what's transferring it into the water. So it looks like if we can set up a couple of passes for this, or
we need to increase the surface area of our...
just increase the surface area to absorb more of the heat coming out here, because we still got a little bit of heat coming out. That's not too awful much heat. That's about, I think, enough. But I suppose we could also insulate this pipe. There's things we can do. We just wanted to see if we could make on-demand hot water without blowing ourselves up. And so far, so good, because the water is about 10 degrees warmer with one pass, and we haven't blown ourselves up. So back to the drawing board with a pretty solid start.